This is James with WSTrades.com. I want to provide an update here on ticker NVOS, or Novo Integrated Sciences. So on Friday, it closed right at the 26 cent mark. You can see here in pre-market today, they are up a bit, trading just above the 27 cent mark. So it looks like they are heading for a higher open here today. And I made a few videos on this stock. I haven't been covering it extensively, but I have made a few videos in the past. And we really saw a ton of volume come in here right when this big move started here. So there was that announcement of the joint venture for the Kenya agricultural product, and that's really what triggered this massive move here. So if you look at it, it was down around the 7 cent mark and ripped all the way up to almost 55 cents. So that was a really massive move there, several 100% move there. So no surprise that it has drawn down significantly. It recently touched in the past week down at that 21 cent mark. So really massive move there. And I know there is a lot of revenue potential for NVOS, or Novo Integrated Sciences, with that project. So we'll kind of see how that translates to their financial statements. I think on the last video that I made, I was talking about how they took out some debt. I think it was like 70 million in debt, and they are continuing to take out debt here. As they said, they're going to be financing this project. NVOS, or Novo Integrated Sciences, is going to be handling all of the financing for this joint venture. So right here, Farm 7 Group and Novo announced this project with potential revenues up to 350 million. Novo is going to be getting a 25% cut of the net profits. But they will be handling all of the financing for this joint agreement. So we talked before about what they took out there. And then I was looking through the SEC filings, and they took out an additional note here. So on September 18th, Novo Integrated Sciences entered into a security purchases agreement with First Fire Global Opportunities Fund. So it says the principal sum here is $277,777.77. And this one actually can get converted into common stock. So it says the holder may convert the note into company's common stock at any time at a conversion price equal to the lesser of 45 cents or 91.5% of the lowest volume weighted average price of the common stock any trading day during the 5 trading day period prior to the respective conversion date. So this one can actually convert into common stock and cause dilution down the road. So keep that in mind. It does say here that the maturity date is going to be about a year from now, which is September 18th, 2024. So again, keep in mind that this may convert into common stock and cause some dilution within a year. So we'll kind of see. I've made those other videos on NVOS, or Novo Integrated Sciences, and kind of talked about some of their financial statements and how they were trying to trek towards a break even on earnings per share. And I was looking through here in July when they actually had a really big beat on EPS, but they missed on sales. So you can see right here from the July earnings release that the EPS was up. So pretty big move, because they lost 13 cents a share in the same quarter the previous year, and then they improved that pretty significantly to only losing 1 penny a share. But their sales had a pretty big miss here, as they were 3.29 million, down from 13.85 million the same quarter last year. So we'll kind of see here, with this big move and with this revenue coming in, what kind of a difference is it going to make on the financial statements? Are we going to see a very significant difference when it comes to earnings, when it comes to cash flows, when it comes to revenues and gross profits? But I'll continue to keep you updated here on ticker NVOS, or Novo Integrated Sciences. Please like this video. Please also subscribe to the channel if you're not subscribed. Hit that notification bell. Appreciate you for taking the time to watch this. Talk to you soon.